In this video, I'm going to show you how to use water tape on boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and do the water tape and put it on this box. I'm a small eBay seller, and I got these two things of tape for 30 bucks through eBay. And as you know, if you got like a storefront on eBay, they'll give you 25 bucks free every quarter. So every 4 months they'll give you a free $25 coupon. So I used it on this first time and only had to pay 5 bucks for the rest of it. So I tried to use it, and you realize that water tape is not sticky, right? So what you want to do, I'll go ahead and cut one and do one for demonstration. I'll do it on this box. The only thing you need, of course, is your tape and a spray bottle, spray water. As you can see here, you can get a little water spray bottle at a dollar store for $1, right? And then the only thing you have to do is just spray on the back, and then that should easily adhere, which it does. And that's it. Now, if you want to, some people will have like a little bucket or whatever, and then they'll use a sponge. So you could do the same thing, you just have a wet sponge, and then that might be easier. You just go around it and then slide it here. But at your office desk or whatever, it's better just to have like a little spray bottle and everything. And then this video, of course, is for anybody that has water tape to use. Now, for fun, I like to recycle, and that's one reason I do this, and I buy this on eBay. Instead of buying boxes, I'll literally use stuff that I got at the grocery store that's empty and I've already used, like this is like a coffee box. And what I'll do, and I do it mostly to be environmental because it does take a little bit of time, but I'll do like cereal boxes, I'll do packing stuff that I got from Amazon, like packaging, and then just re-put eBay stuff back on it. And it kind of, I don't know, it kind of gives me some kind of thrill to recycle stuff that was going to go to the garbage, instead using it for my store. Now, some people won't do that just because it's kind of a little bit more time consuming than just to buy the box, and time is money. But it's kind of fun to do that if you have extra time to recycle your old boxes that you throw in the trash and use it like that. Alright, so that's a little quick tutorial on water tape. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.